This is a lecture about nationalities in the English language. There are 4 groups of nationalities that have different ways of being recognized, and group 1 is this one. Most nationalities have the same 4 as an adjective and a noun. That means that they end with "un". Note, however, that all nationalities have a capital letter in the beginning always. And the countries are as follows. Brazil, the adjective is Brazilian. The noun is either a Brazilian or the Brazilians. Estonia, Estonian, an Estonian, the Estonians. Germany, German, a German, the Germans. Greece, Greek, a Greek, the Greeks. Iraq, Iraqi, an Iraqi, the Iraqis. Pakistan, Pakistani, a Pakistani, the Pakistanis. Latvia, Latvian, a Latvian, the Latvians. Lithuania, Lithuanian, a Lithuanian, the Lithuanian. Norway, Norwegian, a Norwegian, the Norwegians. Ukraine, Ukrainian, a Ukrainian, and the Ukrainians. Group 2 have different forms as nouns and adjectives, and those are as follows. Denmark, Danish, a Dane, the Danes. Finland, Finnish, a Finn, the Finns. Poland, Polish, a Pole, the Poles. Spain, Spanish, a Spaniard, the Spaniards. Sweden, Swedish, a Swede, the Swedes. Turkey, Turkish, a Turk, the Turks. Group 3 are nationalities that end with "-ese, both as adjectives and nouns, and they have 0 plural, and so that's Swiss. And we have China, Chinese, a Chinese, the Chinese. Portugal, Portuguese, a Portuguese, the Portuguese. Japan, Japanese, a Japanese, the Japanese. Switzerland, Swiss, a Swiss, the Swiss. And the final group are adjectives that are used as nouns in a generic sense. And when you talk about particular people, you have to add either man, men, or woman, women. When you talk about the nation or representatives of the nation, you use adjectives used as noun, as the Irish and the English. For example, if you talk about the football team or a part of the population. Note, however, if you want to describe Swedish or English, you could say it in 2 ways. Either he is English or Swedish, or he is a Swede or an Englishman. And then we have Ireland, Irish, an Irishman or the Irishman. And then, of course, if you talk about woman, you have the pattern woman or women. England, English, an Englishman and the Englishman. Holland is Dutch, a Dutchman or the Dutchman. France is French, a Frenchman or the Frenchman. Scotland, Scottish, a Scotsman or the Scotsman. Britain, British, a Briton or the Britons. Wales, you have the adjective Welsh and a Welshman or the Welshman. And that ends this lecture about nationalities.